Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a reviews section in Hostinger website builder. This one was created using pre-built templates, and this one was generated using Hostinger AI. To see how to create both of these reviews sections, just follow this video. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites, and next to your website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this edit website button. And this is the website where I want to add a reviews or testimonials section. Now just hover between these two sections or any sections of your website and click on add section. This window will pop up. Here scroll down to testimonials. As you see, there are multiple customer reviews or testimonials sections templates. I will go with this second one. My reviews section is added successfully. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. My reviews section is added successfully and I can start editing it. I can edit the section title, for example, what our customers say about us. I can same thing with the subtitles. Here for this stars, click on edit text. You can delete a star, and to add a star, just copy one and duplicate and paste it like that. You can add as many stars as you want, because this is, I think this is a text. Yes, this is text. Here edit your testimonials or reviews. Same thing for the reviewer name, and for this little photo of the reviewer, click on it, click on edit image, replace image, and you can upload your reviewer photo from your computer by clicking on this upload files button. Same thing for the second review item. And to duplicate, let's say you have 4 reviews, just make this section longer from this section height icon, and let's duplicate this element. Or instead of this, let's say if I can duplicate all at once. I've duplicated all the reviews section. Now I will undo this action. I want to review just this. I think I can't. Edit section. When I try to select just the reviews, I select the section, as you see here, edit section, and not edit elements. So we are forced to duplicate each element separately. It's not a big deal. The reviewer. And just like that, edit the stars, the review, yes, text, name, and icon. After that, don't forget to hit this update website button to publish these reviews section. Let's view my website live, and this is my reviews new section. Now let's see how to create a reviews section using Hostinger AI. Yes, it starts the same thing or the same way. Click on add section, and now instead of clicking on testimonials, select generate section. Now describe your section. Reviews section where I can share the testimonials I received by email from verified customers. As you see, this is a great description, and you can also see examples of section descriptions to get inspired. Now hit this create section button and wait a moment. And this is my AI generated reviews section. The difference is this one. It didn't came with a reviews section title, and also it has or it uses a background photo. To edit this, it's simple. First select the section, click on this edit section button. For the image, I will select to go with color and not an image. For the background, I will go with this blue color. Close. Now same thing, you can copy and paste the stars, double click the text to edit it, edit the photo from edit image, and edit here. Let's say we want to add date, for example December 2025, for example. Let's duplicate this and add it here. And to add title, we can, for example, make this section, or yes, make this section a little bit taller. And click on add element, and here what's customer reviews. Select the text, Command A on Mac or Control A on Z on a PC. Let's edit the text color to white, make this a little bit wider, and place it here. Now let's update my website to see this Hostinger AI generated reviews section. And this is the reviews section generated using Hostinger AI website builder. And this is how to create a reviews section or testimonial section in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.